I figured out that I have loose wire connection, and I decided to change whole ceiling fan. In this video I will show you how I'm gonna do that. First thing I need to do is take this plastic cover off by pulling it gently down and then taking these wire connections out, and by squeezing these two pieces together and taking it out. I forgot to mention the first thing we need to do is turn off the breaker, and I did that already, so we can work on the electrical part. This is the piece that is broke. It is, like I said, checked earlier, and I need to unplug this from the outlet or receptacle, which is loose and it fell out because it broke. And in order to take all this thing out, I need to jam this screwdriver, take this knob out and pull it down, and that's how it goes out. Very simple. This is the piece that fell out, and you can see here it broke, so both wires, when I was pulling down, stayed in the fixture, and that's the reason why I need to replace whole thing. I ordered this already, and I'm gonna replace it. Additionally, I need to take this cover off by pulling it down, and it comes down all at once. I'll need to take all these old connectors off, white and black, and use new piece. Here are three things that I purchased and I'm going to replace. The main thing and reason for changing is this receptacle, or I call it outlet, that I will need to reconnect to the electrical power. And by the same time, I purchased brand new fan to be replaced. Purchased it at Home Depot for $17, and because I'm changing all that, I am changing also the plastic cover. To connect it to the power is very easy. All you need to do is connect black to black and white to white, and go with the wires through this cover piece, and then snap this new receptacle outlet through, and then connect white to white, black to black. Okay, now I have this receptacle through the cover, connected white to white, black to black. I need to push wires a little bit in the back, make enough clearance for this cover to fit in. I'm going to use this hook to hold this down and slide these tabs in housing. Okay, now you can see these little tabs on both sides. Need to slide in, go from the bottom to the tab, and that's how it looks reassembled. Unfortunately, I just figured out that these two pieces, new one is not exactly the same, cannot fit into fixture in the ceiling. And what I'm going to try to do is keep the metal housing and try to exchange the new motor and the fan with the old one. Okay, in order to take this apart, all I needed to do is pull this fan off, take these two little nuts off, and whole piece comes apart. Now I'm gonna do a new piece. Same story with new one. Pull this apart carefully to not to break the plastic, and take these two nuts off, and I will loosen them up for easy video, and that will be it. All piece is cleaned, and all we need to do is put it back exact same way we took it apart in these two nuts, and once I time, I will put the fan on. And plastic piece fan needs to be put back down, but pushing down carefully, slowly, till this piece sticks out a little bit like that. That will be the same way as I took it apart. Alright, in order to put it back, we need to make sure that these two notches, points go into hole, and then slide whole piece up. But because it takes some effort to do it, this piece here needs to go back into the same slot that I took it out from. So it will take some time, and I'll first do it with this pick, and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, while I'm holding with this pick, this is the motion or move that I need to make. I need to push all the way up till this piece gets into slot, which is like that, and that's it. That's where it needs to catch. If it doesn't, it might fall down on somebody while using the bathroom, and that's very important to be done this way. All we need to do is then connect the power and put the plastic cover on. But before I put the plastic cover on, let's try it and see does it work. And it works like brand new. Okay, this is one more time demonstration of how to put this in. Squeeze these two wires and put them in the slot, and do the same on this side and push it in. And that's it. This is all for one more video of average maintenance that anybody can do in their own house. Fairly simple. All you need to do is remember to disconnect the power, to not to get shocked, and take your time while you're doing this. If you have questions or comments, please do so below. Thank you for watching.